The beauty of Power BI is when you're starting out, you don't really need DAX yet. A lot of people feel they should learn DAX immediately. In most cases, it's not really necessary at first. Power BI already aggregates your data, it applies filters, and it also builds totals automatically. You can see with this visual, if I go to the field here, the y-axis, and select average, it automatically takes an average of the data. So you can see DAX isn't really necessary here because you've got the drop down here that automatically aggregates. DAX becomes very important when you need specific logic, time-based calculations, or behaviour that visuals can't really give you. I would focus on understanding your data and your model first, and then DAX will make much more sense after that.